Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable after-hours trading on Thinkorswim. After-hours trading lets you place orders outside the regular market session, such as the pre-market and the evening session. Liquidity can be thinner and prices can move quickly, so plan to use limit prices and double-check every detail before you send an order. To begin, open the Thinkorswim platform on your computer and sign in. If you are just practicing, you can switch to the simulated trading mode so you can follow along without risk. At the top of the platform, locate the Charts tab. This is an easy place to start an order because you can interact directly with the price action you're seeing. Click Charts to bring up a symbol. If a different ticker is loaded, use the symbol box near the upper left to type the stock or ETF you want to trade and press Enter. With the chart visible, move your cursor over the price area and right-click. A context menu appears with order shortcuts. Choose Buy if you want to open or add to a long position, or choose Sell if you are closing a long or opening a short where allowed. An order ticket will appear in the order entry section at the bottom. Next, click Edit on that ticket. This opens the full order editor where you can verify quantity, price, and order type. For trading outside regular hours, a limit order is generally preferred because it sets a maximum buy price or minimum sell price and helps protect you from unexpected gaps in thin markets. Now find the duration field on the ticket. It typically shows day by default, which expires at the end of the regular session. Click it and change the setting to GTC, good till canceled. In many installations, you'll also see extended hours variations, such as day plus extended or GTC plus extended. If those options are available in your account, selecting the extended version tells Thinkorswim to work the order during the pre-market and after-hours sessions, as well as the regular day. The exact availability can vary by instrument and account permissions. After confirming the duration, review your price and quantity one more time, and look for any session notes on the confirmation line so you know when the order will work. Wider spreads, partial fills, and halts can occur outside normal hours, so consider sizing conservatively and be patient with fills. That's it. You've learned where to start an order from a chart, how to edit it, and how to change the duration so it's eligible for after-hours trading in Thinkorswim. Thanks for watching.